Hey everyone, welcome back to Value Tout TV channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing my top tips for writing winning tweets and posts to maximize your engagements and followership. Getting engagement on social media is so important for growing your audience and reach. Likes, comments, retweets, shares, they all play a huge role in the social media algorithm and can help get your content seen by more people. But crafting tweets and posts that capture attention and drive that engagement isn't always easy. So let's break it down step by step. Tip number 1: have a clear goal in mind for each tweet or post. Are you trying to make people laugh? Share an interesting statistic? Promote your newest video? Knowing what you want to accomplish will help shape the content. If your goal is engagement, ask questions. Share polls and prompts that encourage your audience to respond. Next, focus on creating shareable content. For tweets, turn interesting stats or facts into bite-sized graphics that followers will want to retweet. Pick posts for your feed that are highly visual. This could be eye-catching infographics, behind-the-scenes photos, or even user-generated content that shows your products in action. Shareable content spreads further across social media. It's also key to know your audience and what resonates with them. For example, on my channel, data-driven list videos always perform really well. So if I share a top 10 productivity tips post, I know it's likely to get good traction with my followers. Take some time to analyze what your audience responds to best. One of the most important factors in driving engagement is timing. Make sure to post when your followers are most active and therefore most likely to see and interact with your tweets and posts right away. I've noticed I get the most traction first thing in the morning, so that's when I focus on my high-value content. And don't forget the power of hashtags. Including relevant hashtags allows you to tap into larger conversations and can really help with discovery. Just be sure not to go overboard. 2 to 3 targeted hashtags per tweet and 5 to 10 for Instagram is a good guideline. My last tip is to interact and engage with others on social media. Like and comment on posts in your niche, respond to followers, mention influencers. This raises your visibility and gets you on other users' radars. They're then more likely to check out your profile and engage with your content in return. Putting these tips into practice has really helped boost my engagement rates. My tweets now average 15 to 20 retweets, and my Instagram posts get to 100 to 300 likes each. So give some of these strategies a try and let me know how it goes. What tactics have you found most effective for getting engagement? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more social media marketing tutorials soon. See you next time.